I just finished cleaning my wheel and tire right here, and CERAKOTE sent me this ceramic coating tire coat and protectant. This is for the actual rubber, the actual tire. So easy to use, and I love that they give you this applicator. This applicator has a stronger part right here, and you just grab it from here, and the product lies here, and all you need to do is wipe. Love that, because then it's not brushing in. You're not just simply spurting it all over the place. You're not spraying all over and using too much of this product. You literally can go like this, right on the foam, and what it's supposed to be giving you is a nice shine without staying greasy. And I can already tell the rubber was wet a little bit, and that doesn't matter whatsoever, because right now I'm protecting that rubber, making sure, especially in this heat, summertime, so important. It's going to penetrate the rubber, it's going to protect it, and what I love the most with this applicator, it's not dripping on my rim, it's not dripping on my wheel, which I'm just attacking the rubber. It's going to give you a long-lasting shine. It's going to give you protection. It's going to make your car look fantastic.